Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabe. I welcome you to tomato and blackberry fruit formation. When a flower has been fertilized, the petals and the stamen thrive and fall off. So we are looking at our tomato flower. Let's look at the different parts. It has the ovary, which is this one. It has the ovules. These are the ones that we see here. It has the style and the stigma. They are the ones coming from the ovary in the middle. They go up to there. It has got the anthers. These are the anthers that we are seeing here. And even the other side, the anthers. There is a filament attaching itself on the petal. We have the petals, and then we have the sepals. That is how the flower looks like, the tomato flower. Half flower, the anthers are joined and form a tube around the style. So when you look at the anthers here, they are joined together up here, and they form a tube. There is even this one, this side. They form a tube around the style. So our style is the one in the middle here. This is our style here. So you can see it is between the stamen or the anthers. The ovary or ovaries begin to grow and form a fruit. So we have the fruits here, or the ovule, which are now turning into seeds. Then we have our placenta attached on the receptacle. Then the outer layer is now what was the ovary, now what we call the fruit. So when the ovaries and the ovules continue to grow, we are going to get a tomato fruit. After fertilization, petals, stamen, pollen, and the ovary starts to grow. So immediately after fertilization, the petals, the stamen are going to fall off. The stigma is the same as the style. All those ones are going to break off, and we shall remain with the ovary, which is now turning into a fruit. Petals, stamen, they fall off. We stay with only the sepals. The sepals remain behind as the fruit is growing. They remain as the fruit is growing. Inside the fruits are fertilized ovules, which form seeds. So we have here inside the fruit, we can see that their ovules have now turned into the fruits. They've turned into the seeds. And the ovary wall now has turned into the fruit wall. When the fruit is ripe, the seeds are dispersed by variety of methods. So when our fruit here is ripe, our seeds inside are going to be dispersed by a variety of methods. Those methods, I hope everyone knows them. Usually, the tomatoes are classified as vegetables, but the tomato is a fruit. A tomato is a fruit, though it is classified as a vegetable, but it is a fruit. What is a fruit? Let's see, the one that has got two scars, that scar and then that scar. Then it qualifies to be called a fruit. It has two scars, one at the anterior and the posterior. Now we go to the blackberry, a half flower of our blackberry. This one here is our blackberry. When you look at it, it has got the ovaries. The ovaries are here. Those are ovaries attaching themselves on the placenta, which is attached to the receptacle. It also has the stamen. The stamens have got the anther heads. All these ones that you see are anther heads of the stamen, which is the male part of the flower. Blackberry after fertilization, this is our blackberry after fertilization. The ovules now have turned into seeds. Ovules, these ones in the center, now they have turned into seeds. All the fruits or the ovary, all the fruits or the ovary, when you cut them longitudinally section, inside you are going to see the seeds, which were originally the ovules, and the outer part now will form the fruit, what we normally call the ovule. The blackberry is a cluster of fruits. Blackberry is a cluster of fruits. Cluster means a group of fruits. If you look at this berry here, you can see that there are very many fruits. All these ones are fruits, but they are not growing individually. They grow in a cluster or in a group. The stamens are these ones on the side, on the peripheral, and the sepals are this side. The blackberry, we are looking at the blackberry. So here we say that each fruit contains a single seed. Each fruit that we see here has a single seed. The tomato and the strawberry are soft, succulent fruit. They are soft, succulent fruit. That is the tomato and the blackberry. They are soft and the succulent fruits. Hello, my friends. Thank you very much for participating in tomato and blackberry fruit formation. Please do like, share, and subscribe.